Good morning, traders. I'm Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. I'm here to talk about the currencies as I do every Thursday. I want to talk about something a little bit different than the ECB, Federal Reserve, and all their policy and stuff like that. I want to look more closely at geopolitical risk, everything that we're seeing in Israel right now, Gaza, Hamas, Ukraine, Russia, even ISIS, Iraq, all this geopolitical risk right now theoretically should be weighing on the market. We're not seeing that. We're seeing equities make a rally, make new highs. We're also seeing interest rates stay low. We're hearing more and more verbiage out of the news that because of all the things that are going on, interest rates most likely will have to stay low. And if we're looking at geopolitical risk, I'm looking at it from a perspective of we're seeing weak GDP numbers come out for first quarter. And I think that had a lot to do with geopolitical risk. And with what's going on right now, we're seeing like housing, new home sales, and different numbers coming out that I think they're coming out weaker because of all this uncertainty going on. I think this is the biggest thing that's weighing on the markets right now. But why are we seeing the stocks make all new all-time highs? I think we're seeing that because if you're a money manager, you're looking at ways to diversify funds. And if you're looking at ways to diversify funds and you're getting 0% interest, you're going to look at things that are actually going up in value, which equities look like they are and they have been over the last several years. It's almost like a musical chairs kind of a scenario because at some point when this market does start to pull back, it's going to be the last person holding the bag. What does that have to do with the dollar index? I think what we're seeing now is because of all the geopolitical risk going on in Europe, over into Eurasia, and even into the Middle East now, we're seeing a lot of European banks or a lot of people that have European currency want to shift and diversify into other areas. Dollar looks pretty, in my view, it looks pretty like a pretty good long-term trend to the upside. And I think that what we're seeing is a lot of other money managers look at that. We've had the last couple of years bottoming formation technically, and long-term, I like the dollar. So, and I think we were seeing other money managers look at that too. So, if you have any questions, feel free. Give me a call. Dan Pavlonis, Senior Market Strategist here at RJO Futures. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.